This video is a real quick video just to tell you about how to repair the holes on either side of your dash pads where your gauge cluster is screwed in. My suggestion to you is try to keep your parts as original as possible. If you've got any rips, fill them with silicone. Spray the dye over them. It'll work great. Usually if you have a rip, you can put silicone in the rip and spray it before the silicone dries. Now this video, I'm going to tell you, these holes here are always screwed up. Always. So don't think you're going to buy a dash pad and your problem is going to be over because the dash pads are not made correctly. I don't care what they say. So what we do is you take this 3-minute putty. It's got the hardener in the center. You know, you cut it with a razor blade like a little piece of cookie, and you mix it up with your fingers. And then when and you feel, you know, you got to figure out when exactly it's going to start getting hard. And then you roll it up real small, in a small diameter about the size of the hole, and then start pushing it in the hole. When you push it in the hole, take a drill bit and just keep packing it and packing it and packing it, because the holes are pretty wobbled out. And when you get it full and the epoxy starts to dry, then take a little center dental tool or whatever, make an imprint, and then take the screw right before it dries, and then thread the screw in all the way in. You don't need any releasing agent or WD-40 on it. And then you screw it all the way in, and then you let it sit for about a minute or two to where it's pretty much set all the way, and then come back and then just loosen it just a little bit, like move it like a stuck bolt, and leave it and let it harden. And when it's hardened, you just take it out and put it in, and you're set. Your problems are over with that one. You can move on to another issue.